yan ang parents ninyo. Oo, yan. Ganda naman ng ano niya. Pero malaki din eh, no?
Ito po. Kaya mga ganyan yung banding na.
Mag-start siguro para medyo malawak. Kita pa siya.
Ano lang po, shades siya ka wallet, pati
may laman na 5K.
Gcash na lang.
Hindi natin simulan para mas maganda yung start na.
Ikaw gusto mo ko yung iba to.
Ganito ka sir, pantay ka kay pantay. Pero dito kayo naka.
Online lang.
Online. Kumbaga ako lang po.
Ano man.
Patayo or pahiga?
Tapos guys, appreciate nyo lang.
Mamaya, kissing na si mami mo. Single ka pa ngayon eh. Mamaya, married ka na. Baka umiyak pa nga eh. Oo, bunso kayo.
Beauty pa po nga. Kahit dalawa lang.
Natulog kanina.
Nakakatulog ako.
Hindi. Alis pa si Patuya sa akin.
Alis pa lang.
Bumaba lang yung hatak lang o pagkakay mo. Yan. Bumaba siya.
Itas, balik ko kayo.
Kaya nyo lang yung kita. Hindi ko one.
Okay, thank you din.
Kayo po ay?
Uy, late na ako natulog.
Hindi, okay lang yung plan mo pa.
Kaya hindi.
Pero ako tulog na, di ba una kayo na?
Ako nakatuloy ako konti. Nagising na ako. Hindi lang ako.
Ako yung, ano oras yun? Ako pa nung.
Ako siguro. Ako? Hindi ka nakatulog pa eh.
Pili ko nga mamaya.
Hello, baby.
Ako.
Kape lang yan. Kasi yung aso ko po eh.
Ano? Ito na.
Sayang eh.
Ito na ako.
Kompleto na naman tayo.
Kala ko nga complete.
Kailangan daw message mo rito. Ito pe. Ready, look here.
Sideways kayo mo.
Di pa. Okay, one.
Closer.
sa dinara, no?
Ready? Move ka sa panty dito, Chris. 3, 2, 1, go guys, lakad. Hinga dito, Chris. Ito pa.
Once more.
Kaya habang papaling guys Chris, harap ka dito. Sige guys, punta ka na. Walk backward.
Alright, guys, ready? Same thing lang, ganon. And 3, 2, 1, go! Walk! Tama naman yung tama naman
This time, Chris, dito ka.
Save mo ako. Wala yung pag-sensor.
Saan po kaya? Teka, baka yun sa apo ko dun sa...
Opo, kasi pang iPhone.
pusa, looking at them. I can't believe na asawa na kita ngayon.
What?
I vow to be faithful, always be there for you, loving not only to you, but to our family as well. I will put God first and you to have a successful marriage. Mahal na mahal kita. Short hand. Kasi mahal.
To my dearest Christopher, who would have thought we'd make it this far? Many years ago, I went to a service at my church in Canada. I don't usually go to church, but that day I prayed profusely to God to send me someone who would cherish me, respect me, protect me, and love me. Because deep down I knew I didn't deserve to be treated poorly. Which is why I asked God for...
and wine. Official kiss. But there is a twist. Sorry, yes, there is a twist. I have here 5 pages of blessings. Christopher, you're going to kiss her as long as I'm reading the blessings. Okay, this will also help the videographers. Okay, so from the very beginning of the blessings until the very end, you kiss her. Okay, are you ready? All right. Okay, ready. May the Lord
Start nice.
bless you in all your ways. Make your business and your work successful. Give you children according to His pleasure. Give you plenty of food to eat. Make you successful in your daily work. Make you both leaders and not just followers. Make you wealthy and powerful to help the poor and the weak. May He give you all these blessings as you obey Him in everything. Amen. God bless you. Coordinators, please.
Celebration of love and life. Family and friends, can we make some noise for the wedding of Mr. and Mrs. Reyes? Also our secretaries and the maid of honor, please welcome here the bride squad. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, palakpakan natin ang Bride Squad. Now, Bride Squad, I want to ask you, for our couple, for the prize, and for this program, I want to hear you answer. Team Bride, are you ready to dance? Alright, let's do it. 6 versus 6. Let me see. DJ, music please. Let's go. There you go. Palakpakan po natin once again the Bride Squad. I told you, 1 year kami Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this time we have here the Groom Squad. So, fair enough. 6 ladies, 6 gentlemen. This time, I'll be asking them the ultimate but same question. Team Groom, for the couple, for the prize, and for the program, I want to ask you, are you ready to dance? Sabi sa inyo eh, they came prepared tonight. Let's do it for that performance. Music, please! Everybody, for the Groom Squad, let's go! 1, 2, come on! One more time. Thank you. You know what? Ng mga magulang, ilang apo pa daw ibibigay niya sa kanila? Estimation target. Isa, Christopher. How about you, Ariel?
Isa lang.
Isa po. So, isa plus isa, dalawa pa daw po. Now, para simulan po ang ganyang happy family, let us put them sa kanilang first ever challenge as husband and wife officially. So, we will be having here the 10-second kiss countdown. Okay, so Christopher, sabi nila, pag naghiwalay daw ang lips nyo nang wala pang 10 seconds, everybody will be going home. But, if ang kiss po ng couple is longer than 10 seconds, everybody should join them sa kanilang same-day edit part viewing. So, Christopher, deal or no deal? Deal. Deal. Let's do it. Face your beautiful wife. Come on. All right. Now, can I ask everybody to please count with me as I officially go the kiss? All right. Are you ready, Christopher? Are you ready, Ariel? Let's do it. Let's have the 10-second kiss and DJ drop the music. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much and congratulations, Lee. Now be ready for the party later. As you can see, he's ready to party with you. So once again, palakpakan natin Draven Isaiah. Hi, Draven. This is the mother and son dance. Christopher and Ariel as Mr. and Mrs. Grace.
Hi. Happy ako para sa inyong dalawa. So, parang nakakatuwa lang kasi parang naging witness ako sa journey nyo bilang yung mga nagliligawan pa lang. And hanggang pa na nandito na. Kasal na. Salamat naman, di ba? So, witness ko lahat ng mga trust days, lahat ng mga happiness na ako na yung nagpapantin na. So, wish ko lang ay continue yung happiness, yung loving atmosphere na gano'n ko yung dalawa kasi grabe. Ang ganda ng love story niyo. Nakakainis. Sabi niya, ako na yung single. Bakit kaya?
Ayaw mo kasi pumili.
Pero yun, wishing you all the love. Kasi ano ba, Miguel, thank you sa pagmamahal na binigay mo sa aking kaibigan. And salamat na ilang years tayo magkaibigan. Love you.
Thank you so much. Atayin ka namin supplier, sir. One shot away na kami. Thank you. Sir, please switch tayo. Thank you. Alright.
Hello po, ako nga po pala si Roy. Bale, kakilala ko na po sa inyo since grade 1. Doon pa po kami nagkakilala. Then, up to, ayan, hanggang dito. Super, kilala ko na si Ninyo hanggang sa, kumbaga, kami, from little pa lang, wrestling na pinag-uusapan namin. Hanggang ngayon, wrestling pa rin. Tapos yun, kami every week nagba-basketball, kami ng mga tropa namin. So, ayan, since ganun yung dati namin nakasanayan, so syempre, iba na ang buhay ngayon. May asawa na si Ninyo. Wish ko lang sana payagan pa rin ni El na makipag-basketball sa phone. Ayun, so ayun, wish you all the best sa inyo ni El. Alam mo naman na nandito lagi kami for you guys. Yun, sana ay masundan si Draven. Kasi lagi kami kinukulit ni Draven, para kami yung kapatid ko ni Draven. So, ayun, napapagod na rin kami. Puro tanong-tanong si Draven eh. So, ayun. So, ayun, wish you all the best guys. And
thank you so much. Palakpakan natin yung mga friends na couple. Basta basketball. Yes, okay, di ba? Basketball. Okay. Tama naman. Wish you mag-basketball lang pala. Next. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Bernadette, and I'm the bride's maid of honor. We've been friends since 2012, high school in Canada. Bago siya sa class, I wanted to be friends with her. I said hi, but then she didn't say anything. I'm like, mali na naman nito. Mali na naman nito. But yeah, but 13 years later, I found out na bingi na pala siya. Di lang pala niya ako narinig. But yeah, sobrang haba na napagdaanan namin. Dami na namin nagawa. Camping, hanging out together, mga gala, inuman. Lahat na hanggang sa pinanganak niya si Draven. She's very strong sa lahat ng napagdaanan niya. But, hindi niya nakalimutan maging kind. Though ang pagtingin sa kanya ng tao, manila siya, pero deep inside, napakabait ng tao. Sa lahat na naging friends namin siya, the last one standing. Yeah. Pero to make the story short, no? So may ano lang ako kay Orleans. I know kilala mo na si Chris, but to remind you, sobrang dami ng good qualities, so of course, everything will be okay. She gets overwhelmed easily. She and I share same mental health problems. Sana maging mahaba pa ang pasensya sa kanya whenever she overthinks. Get anxiety attacks, depressed. Food makes her happy. She used to be my food buddy. Now it's you now. So make her happy. Pag nagmamalita siya, just know that she has a reason. And naalala ko, sabi ng mami niya sa akin, si Aggie, maldita lang yan, pero hindi nagtatanim na sama ng loob yan. She forgives easily, and that's why people tend to take advantage of her. So I wanted to protect her from those people. Thank you for accepting her and her child, Raven. At tinanggap mo ang responsibility ng Raven.